Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 guys, generation 2012-2018. And we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the airbag module. So if you have airbag light on or no communication with the airbag module, check these fuse guys. In the meantime, our mission at the shop here guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing free repair videos and teach you how to fix your car. Please guys, just give a subscribe and like for all the work we do. So we have more than 200 videos on this car, so guys, videos will be made. If you need help with anything, just drop a comment below and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. Now, if you come to the passenger side, you can see our glove box is missing, but you do not have to remove yours. The only reason we have it removed, so we can get the camera in there and show in a little bit better way where the fuse is located. All we have to do, you can see that cover, that needs to be removed. Squeeze those things, they have 2 teeth, pull them down and just pull the cover out. Okay, like that. Now, that's where your fuses are located. Okay, and that's where the BCM body control module is located. Now let me show you, next to each fuse on the top right side there is a number. This number corresponds to the fuse number. So in our case, for the airbag module, we need to locate fuse number 86. It's a 10 amp fuse. And I'll recommend to have the battery disconnected at least 10 minutes before you do that. So you don't have, do it at least 1 hour. 1 hour before you pull the fuse, disconnect the battery, so you don't have any power in the system. Okay, and we'll pull the fuse out. Our battery is being disconnected for 1 hour. And we'll replace it with a new one. All the tools and parts, including these fuses guys, will be listed in the description of the video below. This is an amazing deal, nothing sponsored here, but all those fuses come really cheap. They even come with a free fuse spool. So we'll go ahead and replace our 86 fuse with another 10 amp fuse. Okay, install it now. Push it in guys. So this is the fuse there. All we have to do from that point on, you need to install your cover here with the 2 plastic retainers. If you have an airbag light on, you need to connect your scanner and reset the airbag light. We have many videos for airbag codes, engine codes, all that electrical components on this Ford Focus guys, also mechanicals videos as well. So please guys, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you and we'll be able to save you money in the long run. So thank you. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.